Oh my gosh, it's another gorgeous day at the beach. Oh, how blessed am I that I'm able to come here and enjoy this beauty, to feel the wind on my face, flowing through my hair, to feel the sun bake on my skin. It feels so good. And to feel the water lap against my body as it cools it from the warm sun. How does it get any better than this? I really don't know. I live for the moments I spend here. There's nothing like it as far as I'm concerned. It's just so exhilarating. It's like it recharges my whole being. Being one with nature. We all have our moments where nature fills us up. What would we do without nature? Mankind seems to want to take nature from us, and they call it progress. I don't call that progress at all. I find it rather frustrating. We need to start respecting Mother Earth. And we need to start loving nature and appreciating for all it gives us. Without nature, I wouldn't have this. I wouldn't be able to come here and enjoy or experience any of this. I feel so grateful. Stop and appreciate nature instead of killing it, destroying it, ruining it. Next time you go to throw that trash out the window of your car or leave it on the beach, think twice. It doesn't belong there, and you brought it there, so take it back with you. Let's preserve what we have left, and maybe, just maybe, we can change things and make nature better than how we left it. Love to all.